to launch the roadmap of election of our paramount chief, who will be replacing Mzee Wonyaci Yosam Odur Ebii in November. So me, as the chairman of the Electoral Commission, we have come with the roadmap. The nomination date will be on the 13th, and 13th Friday, September 2024, and 14th September 2024. That is Friday and Saturday. Any person who wants to contest, so long as you are Lango by tribe, and you are at the age where your clan has elected you to be a Witong of their clan, you are free to come and get the nomination form. The theme, you have to come with the ID, national ID, 3 passport size, then 3 with 3 persons who will be, 1 will be nominating you, then 2 will second you. And our roadmap spells that on the 11th of October 2024, by 7:30 up to 4 p.m., there will be election for the paramount chief of Lango. So far, those who have made their mind and interests are 3, and they have already paid. 1 is Benjamin Oki, a Witong of Okibora. Number 2, Professor Dr. Richard Nam of Okia Mat. Then number 3, Dr. Dan Okelo, a Witong of Guna. However, 1 person has also made his interest. I think before the date of nomination, he will come up with his nomination fees. That is Ambassador Dixon Ogwangukul, a Witong of Palachol. The nomination fee is 2,500,000. This is what I can tell you.
So this question about an ongoing arrangement for coronation. We are all here, we have been here, we know that there are 2 factions. But we are Lango Cultural Foundation. We have been Lango Cultural Foundation right from 2003. And we are continuing as Lango Cultural Foundation, a gazetted institution. We have our constitution of 2017, which we want to bring to play. Any other arrangement elsewhere, we don't know what constitution they are using, what laws they are using, but this is a matter of Lango Cultural Foundation, which is the gazetted institution. The serving paramount chief, His Highness Yosam Odur Ebii, is due to retire. And this process, the election process, is to find a replacement to him. The day we conclude on the 11th of October, as the chairman has said, that is the day